I'm Melissa, and I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the mockup in Canva. First, go to canva.com in any web browser, and then you can log in or sign up. Once you're in, click Create a Design to get started. Then click Custom Size. Enter 3600 for the width and 2400 for the height, and then make sure the drop-down box next to it is set to PX. Then just click Create New Design. Click Uploads, then click Upload Files. Find your design. Just repeat clicking the Upload Files button until all your designs are uploaded. Find your design. Then just drag your newly uploaded file onto the canvas. Right-click or Control-click the image, and then select Set Image as Background. Just drag your design onto the canvas. To resize your design, click and drag any of the four corners. That's how easy it is to add your design to this mockup in Canva. If you want, you can click in this box and type in a new name. To save your design, just click Share and then click Download. And make sure the drop-down menu is set to JPEG. And then click Download. It's going to save it to the Downloads folder on your computer. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. You can get a great deal on this mockup and other mockups right now at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.